This is exciting, so there are only a small number of manufacturers paying any real attention to releasing decent tablets worth our time talking about. Samsung is one of those manufacturers. And they are gearing up to launch not only their best tablet, but the best Android tablet ever, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. We know quite a lot about this tablet already, but in what appears to be the biggest leak for the tablet ever, the marketing material, price, and a marketing video have been leaked, which showcases all the new features of this new tablet. First off, here are the promotional materials for the entire Tab S8 range courtesy of Evan Blass. It shows the tablet next to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, where you can use it as a companion for the color palette for your drawings. It also implies that the S Pen of the Tab S8 Ultra will work with the S22 Ultra. But unlike the S22 Ultra, the entire Tab S8 lineup has an expandable storage option via a microSD card slot. All the tablets have a 45 watt of charging speed, but unfortunately Samsung will not include a charger with any of the Galaxy Tab S8 series. They are only offering a USB-C cable, a manual, and a SIM ejection tool. This is a little weird because Apple, who started this ridiculous trend, still ships chargers with their new iPads. All three S8s have 120Hz displays, but only the S8 Plus and the S8 Ultra have AMOLED displays, while it's LCD on the regular S8. Samsung also mentions the size of the bezels. The S8 Ultra has the thinnest bezels at just 6.3, while it's 8.95 for both the S8 and the S8 Plus. It also shows no matter which color you opt for, you'll always get a black S Pen. Moving on, a marketing video has also been leaked which shows some features of the tablet. First, it reveals the latency. Both the S8 Plus and the S8 Ultra are getting a record 2.8 milliseconds of latency, while it's 6.2 milliseconds on the S8. It also walks us through the different features of the stylus. Unfortunately, it's also the first tablet to house a notch, but it does have some camera upgrades. Notably the inclusion of a second 4K ultra-wide-angle camera, which lets you do things like auto-zoom in and out in video calls. As you can see, the Tab S8 Ultra will start at €1,149 for the Wi-Fi only variant, while it's €1,299 for the 5G variant.